Hello friends, welcome to my channel Awesome Biology. Today I am going to discuss 10 most expected questions for Neet, AIMS and JIPMAR 2020 with explanation from the topic matching columns questions. So let's start. Question number 1. Match the items given in column 1 with those in column 2 and select the correct option given below. So column 1. Number 1, fibrinogen. So what is fibrinogen? You have to know it. Fibrinogen is a soluble protein, okay, that is stimulated by thrombin and gets converted in insoluble form, fibrin, okay. The main function of fibrinogen is the formation of blood clotting, okay, and the wound and seal the wound. So from this we can know that the fibrinogen is matching with the blood clotting here, okay. And then come globulins. Globulins is a simple protein that forms a large fraction of blood serum protein involved in defense mechanism. Yes, globulin is involved in defense mechanism. So option 2 will match up with column 2, column 2, item number 3. Then comes albumin. Albumin is a plasma protein and it is manufactured by the liver. It helps in maintaining osmotic pressure, that is osmotic balance. Albumin helps in maintaining osmotic balance, so it will match with osmotic balance. So from this, which option is correct? A, B, C, D are given, and from this we have to match the options. So 1 matches with 2, okay, then 2 matches with 3, okay, then 3 matches to 1, okay. So from this we can know that option number D is the correct answer. Should it do it? Sure, it suits with the option number D, okay. So this is the right answer. Option number D will be the right answer for this question. Now going to question number 2. So same questions, match the item column, okay. I give given in a column 1 with those in a column 2. So here the first item is proliferative. It's a proliferative phase, okay. So proliferative phase is a phase in the female reproductive cycle. During the female reproductive cycle, what happens? Follicle starts grow in size under the influence of follicle stimulating hormone, and hence this phase is also known as follicular phase. So proliferative phase is known as follicular phase. So this phase will match with this one. Then second option, second items is secretory phase. Secretory phase is a phase where the corpus luteum secretes progesterone. Progesterone is a hormone, okay, that helps to thicken the endometrial lining. So secretory phase. So due to the persistence of corpus luteum, the phase is also called luteal phase. So secretory phase is also known as luteal phase. And during this phase, corpus luteum secretes progesterone that thickens the endometrial lining. So this option will match with luteal phase. Now comes menstruation. Menstruation is or bleeding occurs due to breakdown of the endometrial lining in the absence of pregnancy. So menstruation will match with the breakdown phase of endometrial lining. So from this we have to confirm with one of the 4 options, okay. So option 1 is matches with 2, okay. Then item 2 matches with 3. Item 3 matches with 1. So option number A will be the correct, which matches with each other from this for this question, okay. Now going to question number 3. Here, column number 1, the items are glucosuria. What do you mean by glucosuria? Glucosuria is a condition of increased level of glucose in blood when this occurs due to untreated diabetes. Okay, untreated diabetes mellitus, the blood glucose level increases. So presence of the right option here will be glucose. For glucosuria is the presence of glucose in urine. Okay. Now gout is a arthritis disease, okay, characterized by severe pain and tenderness in joints. It caused due to accumulation of uric acid crystals in joints. So gout will match with accumulation of uric acid in the joints. Now, renal calculi or kidney stone is also known as kidney stones, are small masses of crystalline salts within the kidney, and these stones can be of calcium, uric acid, and struvite, etc. So, renal calculi is the mass of crystalline salts within the kidney. So, glomerulonephritis. Glomerulonephritis is the inflammation of filtering unit, that is glomerulus of kidney. So, it will match with inflammation of glomeruli. So, from this, right option to select ABCD. So, 1 matches with 4, 2 matches with 1, 3 matches with 2, and 4 matches with 3. So, the right option will be option number D. Okay. Now, going to question number 4. Here, the items in the first column are ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration, what do you mean by ultrafiltration? Ultrafiltration is also known as glomerular filtration. It's carried out in the glomerular capillaries found in Malpighian tubules. It is found in Malpighian tubules. Okay, ultrafiltration is a process also known as glomerular filtration. So in the kidney, okay, and this is found in ultrafiltration process is found in the kidney, okay, in the kidney and in the Malpighian corpuscles of the kidney. Now, second, concentration of urine. Concentration of urine will match up with Henle's loop, because Henle's loop, what happens? Because Henle's loop continuously absorbs the water from the glomerular filtrate because of the hyperosmolarity created by countercurrent mechanism. So Henle's loop absorbs the water. Okay, so that's due to the absorption of water from the glomerular filtrate, the concentration of urine become concentrated. So concentration of urine match with Henle's loop. Transport of urine is done by urethra. Okay, urethra, a narrow tubular structure that conveys the transport of urine. Then storage of urine. Storage of urine is commonly, we all know that storage of urine is done in urinary bladder. So from this, we have to match it now. The ultrafiltration, 1 is 4. So 1 is 4. Then 2, concentration of urine, Henle's loop. 2 is 1. Then 3, transport of urine. 3 is 2. Then storage of urine, urinary bladder. 4 is 3. So right option will be B here. Okay. Now, going to question number 5. So match the items given in the column 1 with those in the column 2. Okay. So column 1 has tricuspid valve. So tricuspid valve is a valve, okay? It's a valve present in the heart. And that valve is present between right atrium and right ventricle, okay? And that will match up with between right atrium and right ventricle. And bicuspid valve is a valve that is present between valve opening that is present between left atrium and left ventricle. And seminal valve is a valve present between right ventricle and pulmonary artery of the heart. Okay. Okay. So from this, the right option that match with all these options were, all these items were, which one? We have to select it now. 1 is matching with 3, and 2 is matching with 1, and 3 is matching with 2. So, right answer will be option number C. Okay, now coming to question number 6. Okay, up to this one, and now coming to question number 6. So, match the items in the column. So match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct option from it. Okay, you have to select the correct option given below. So column 1, tidal volume. So tidal volume, what is tidal volume? Tidal volume is the volume of air inspired or expired during normal breath. So it is about 500 to 550 ml. So tidal volume is the volume of air that we expired or inspired during our normal breath. Okay, and that volume is between 500 to 550 ml volume. Okay, then inspired reserve volume. Okay, inspired reserve volume is the extra amount of air that can be inspired directly after normal inspiration. Okay, extra amount of air that we inspired, okay, along with our normal inspiration. So extra amount of air that we can inspire, and that amount is between 2500 to 3000 ml. Extra amount of air that we can inspire. So now expiration reserve volume. Expiration reserve volume is the extra amount of air that we can forcibly expire. So that volume is between 1000 to 1100 ml. Then residual volume. Residual volume is a volume of air which remains still in the lung after the most forceful expiration. After the most forceful release of the air from the nose, okay, from our body, the volume of air that which remains in the lung, okay, and that volume is the residual volume. It is between 1100 to 1200 ml. So we have to match it now from the options given below. So 1 matches with 3, okay, 2 matches with 1, 3 matches with 4, right, and 4 matches with 2. Okay, the option B will be the correct answer here. Okay. Now going to question number 7. So 7, column 1, eutrophication. So what do you mean by eutrophication? Eutrophication is a condition, okay, in the environment. What happened? Environment, nutrient rich condition of the environment. Okay, eutrophication is the nutrient rich condition of the environment. Okay, nutrient rich environment of water bodies containing excessive population of phytoplanktons. When the pond environment, okay, poses excessive population of phytoplanktons, then the pond environment become nutrient rich. Okay, and that nutrient rich population pond environment is known as eutrophication. Okay, eutrophication. So this will match with 3. And sanitary landfill. Sanitary landfill is a method of solid waste disposal in which the waste material is buried in the pit ducts on the ground and later they get covered by soil. So it is a method of soil waste disposal. Sanitary landfill is, so it will match up with option 4, that is item 4, waste disposal. Snow blindness. Snow blindness is caused due to UV radiation exposure. Okay? This radiation can reach the Earth's surface due to depletion of ozone layer. So due to depletion of ozone layer, so radiation can reach the Earth, that ultraviolet radiation, and causes snow blindness. So this 3 will match it 1. Now last, the zoom cultivation. Zoom cultivation is cultivated temporarily and then abandoned. Okay, land is cultivated temporarily and then abandoned, stop cultivating. Okay, and then it can revert to its, so that it can never to its natural vegetation. Okay, and one of the adverse effect of zoom cultivation is deforestation, as it leads to deforestation. Okay? So 4 is 2. So from this we have to match the right options. Okay, so 1 match with 3, okay, 2 match with 4, okay, 3 match with 1, okay, and 4 match with 2. So the right option is option number A. Okay, now going to question number 8. So here column 1 given herbarium. So herbarium is what? Herbarium is a place where dried and pressed plant specimens mounted on a sheet. Okay, on a sheet, what happens? Dried plant, okay, and were pressed and dried on that sheet. Okay, herbarium. Herbarium is a sheet. Okay, so it will match with herbarium match with this option match it is a place where dried and pressed plant specimen mounted on a sheet are kept, and shipped and kept are kept. Okay. So key. What is key? Key is a big booklet containing list of characters and alternatives. Okay. So a key is a booklet. It consists of list of characters and alternatives which are helpful in identification of various taxa. Like a museum. So museum is what? Museum is an institution, okay, where artistic and education materials are exhibited to the public. So museum is a place having a collection of preserved plants and animals. And catalog. Catalog is what? A list that enumerates methodology all specimens found in an area with brief description aiding identification. So from this matching, we have to match the right option here. So 1 matches with 4. No, 1 matches with 3. Yeah, 1 matches with 3. Then 2 matches with 4. 1 matches with 3. 2 matches with 4. 3 matches with 1. And 4 matches with 2. So the right option is option D. Question number 9. Match the following structure with the respective locations in organs. Column 1. Crypts of Leverkuhn. So crypts of Leverkuhn are simple tubular intestinal glands which occur throughout the small intestine between the villi. So crypts of Leverkuhn will match up with small intestine. Now second is Gleason's capsule. Gleason's capsule is inner thin layer of connective tissue in liver. So Gleason's capsule will match up with liver. Then comes isolate of Langerhans. Isolate of Langerhans constitute the endocrine part of pancreas which secretes hormone. So it will match up with pancreas. Then Brunner's gland. Brunner's gland are located in the submucosa of duodenum and they open into crypts of Leverkuhn. So Brunner's gland will match up with duodenum. So from this we have to select out the right option. So A matches with 3, B matches with 4, C matches with 1 and D matches with 2. So the right option is B here. Okay. Now we'll go to the last question. So last question, question number 10. Match the following hormones with the respective disease. Option A, item A is insulin. So insulin, due to deficiency of insulin, causes diabetes insipidus. So it will match up with insulin will match up with diabetes insipidus. Then comes thyroxine. So thyroxine causes goiter. Okay, so excess production of thyroid hormone. So it will match up with goiter. Now comes corticoids. Corticoids, deficiency of which causes addiction disease. In this disease, there's a deficiency in adrenal hormone secretion. Okay, growth hormone. So growth hormone, hypersecretion of growth hormone causes acromegaly in adults. It is caused by enlarged hand and feet of affected person. So it will match with acromegaly. So from this, we have to choose the correct option. So A matches with 2, B matches with 4, C matches with 1, okay, and D matches with 3. So the right option will be option number C. Okay. Okay. There is an option you have to this type of question you have to practice every time and remember every time. So this kind of questions are very common. Okay, every time column-based questions comes in Neet time after time. So let's be prepared, okay, to this kind of questions. So please like and subscribe to my channel, Awesome Biology, and press the ring bell to get more and more videos like this. Thank you very much.